Welcome to another tutorial of Proflan YouTube channel. In this particular video, we're going to look at those questions that made students smile in the examination room, so that you can be able to see questions that can be able to be tested in the coming exam. So in the previous section, we looked at questions that really made students to cry. But now in this video, we're going to look at questions in November 2024 that made students smile because they were very straightforward and easy questions. So can you just follow? If you are new to Proflan YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that when I'm going to be uploading prediction videos, you'll be notified. So can you check if you could smile if you could have seen question number 3? Question number 3 was about how to simplify, and this was given as p raised to power 3 raised to power 5. You think you could have smiled to see such a question? Yes. So this is going to be equal to p 3 times 5, so that it becomes p raised to power 15. That's basically what you were supposed to do in that. The next question was to expand the bracket. This was part A. Part B, you were supposed to expand the bracket, and this was 2n into 4n plus 3, and then you have plus n into n minus 4. Then you are supposed to open the brackets here so that you can be able to pull the like terms together. So you are supposed to multiply this and this, you multiply this and this, you multiply this and this one, you multiply this and this. So once you have done that, you are going now to multiply it. So this becomes what? This becomes, if you multiply here, you are going to have 8n squared plus 6n plus n squared minus 4n. Then next, you check like terms. So this has no similar terms, so this is a like term to this. All right, yes, this one here as its term here. Yeah, that's true. So that we can be able to say this is going to reduce to 9n squared minus plus 2n. Now we are simplified this expression. So basically that's what you are supposed to do at that. Then part C of this question, it was about solving an equation, and the equation that you are to solve is 2x plus 5 divided by 3 is equals to 4 minus x. So whenever you have such kind of an equation, if you see this kind of question, you are going to multiply by 3 here, so that this and this will cancel out. Then you are going to remain with 2x plus 5 is equals to 12 minus 3x. So that once you've done that, you can now put the like terms together, and of course this will be taken here, and we shall take 5 on this other side. We end up having 5x is equals to 12 minus 5, and 5x is going to be equals to 12 minus 5 is what? This is going to be 7, right? Divide by 5, divide by 5. So our x can be left as 7 over 5 rather. 7 over 5. So basically, these are the question in terms of simplifying expression, and that's what you are supposed to do at that given point. And another concept that was tested is sets. We have 9 being in A, we have 3 being in the 2 sets, and the 7 being the 2 sets, 5's in B, not in set A. So we are supposed to state members of B. So members of B will be 3, 7, 2, and 5. Members in set B will be all these members, all these that we are having in this particular region, anything that is inside B. List members of A intersection B. A intersection B will be 3 and 7. Those are the members which are in the intersection. This is the intersection here. So list members complement of A, meaning members which are not in A. Basically, members that are not in this particular set here will be 5, 2, and all these that we are having at this point. So this is going to be members outside set A will be 5, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Basically, that is what we are supposed to do in that particular video. So this is one of the question that also made students smile. This was question number, volume is equals to pi r squared h, and to work it we are going to say that is 22/7 times the radius, which is 70, squared times the height, which is 18. So we need to check all the dimension if they were in centimeters. So all the dimension were in centimeters, so that's going to be pi times 70. This was 70 centimeters and 18 centimeters. Yeah, that's correct. Squared times 18, and that becomes a value of 2778 centimeter cubic. But we are supposed to work out the volume to the nearest liter. To the nearest liter means we need to remember that 1000 centimeter cubic equals to 1 liter. So which means that the number of liters in this case, we're going to take 27,788 divide by 1000, and if you divide that, we'll shift the zero. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, so it will be 277.088. To the nearest letter is 277 liters as the volume of this particular solid. Basically, that's what you were supposed to do in this particular question. If you have gotten value from Prof Learn YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that anytime I'm going to do more tutorials, you'll be notified. The next part, we're going to look more. In part 3, we're going to look at more questions that made students smile in the November exam. See you in the next video.